Sorry.
Second.
Sheet number 6, second problem.
Yes.
Now, what is your doubt? What is your doubt?
Sir, front view.
Now, complete your question. Don't just put words.
Sir, front view.
What front view? But फ्रंट व्यू क्या? कुछ तो बोलो. फ्रंट व्यू क्या?
सर मतलब फ्रंट व्यू कैसा आएगा?
फ्रंट व्यू कौन? सिंपल. इट इज कौन. You get something like this in front view, isn't it? Your question is not clear. What is your, you precisely describe your question first of all. Front view कैसा आएगा? Front view is this, what I just showed you. Understand?
सर इसके बाद वीपी इंक्लाइंड 45 डिग्री टू द वीपी.
हाँ.
तो मतलब अभी 45 डिग्री एंगल पे ड्रॉ करना है ना.
But before that you take easier one na. Second orientation is given with description, isn't it? How it is resting with respect to HP, it is given. Correct or not? So you use that. See, first of all, I will try to draw it here. See, a circular cone of this much diameter and this much long generator. So now, as you understand, size is given in different manner. Now, size is given, first of all, what is given? Now, this is my XY line. Fine. Then it is resting, first of all, on HP. Okay, so I will draw it in HP first. Okay, this is my, it is cone, so we won't be having any lines in such, but we still will be having some apex. So let us draw that apex. See, this will be approximate. Okay, I won't be doing it precisely, but okay, like this. Now let us divide it. Whole problem can't be explained. It will take too much time. Then 2 hours are not enough. Then it will be like that. One person will say problem number this, other person will say problem number this, etc. So whole sheet will come. It is not the way. First of all, whenever you are having some doubt, discuss in your group. Because most of the problem, if we are 25 people, 20, 30 people, it is not possible that every 30 out of 30 won't know anything. It is not happening. Most probably you will be knowing any one of you. So you take advantage of that. We'll see how much time it will be taking. Okay. Now, how the what I say, how its size is given. This time axis is not given. Generator length is given. So what you will do in compass, you will measure 8 centimeter. That is 80 mm. Take this much distance and cut one arc such that its generator will become. Wait a moment. I will just explain that. Now we have measured this, sorry. Now this is my 80 mm. Fine, so I will measure that with compass. Then I will put my compass here and I will cut one arc over here. Understand? So that arc is, it will fetch me this 80 mm. This thing will be 80. It is given like that. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So accordingly all the projections will also be there. Something like this. I won't be giving name right now. It will take time. Okay, so what is next given? Next is given that it is inclined on one of its, it is resting on one of its point on the base, and the apex is 55 mm above it. Okay, so what is that? Now this is the apex. Understand? So it is resting on one of its point. Either this side it will be tilting or this side. That is up to you. Nothing is given. So let us tilt it this side. We will tilt it this way, this side, such that the I will draw it. The distance between apex and this HP will be 45, 55 mm, like this. So now this distance is how much? This is 55. Understand? Now it is resting on one bay or one point on HP, and its apex is 55 mm away from HP. It is, so angle of orientation is not given here. It is description is given. Then the simple problem. Then you draw all the projection downward from here and take from rightward here. So you will get one object here. Now that will be the top view. Now what is said that draw the projection when the plan of the axis, a plan, see here, I discussed it yesterday, again I will discuss it. Plan, I told you, front view, you note this down, front view is also called elevation, and top view is also called plan. Generally these terms are used for mechanical engineers, and these terms are used for civil engineers generally, but it is not mandatory. So what is told, plan is making 45-degree with VP. So now what is the plan? This is the top view or not? Top view is the plan. So here we will be having axis also here. Okay, you also carry out axis. So axis will be somewhere here. So you draw one 45-degree line, match over the axis then, and regenerate this problem. Whatever you will be having here. Okay, whatever you will be having here, you regenerate it with 45 degrees. Clear? And then usual thing, draw the front view of that by taking projections upward. Clear? Clear? किसने पूछा था?
Understood, sir.
Then answer immediately. I need not to speak 5 or 6 times. Okay, chalo. Anyone else? Clear? Everyone understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, answer immediately.
Yes,
So that I know that you are responding. Okay, then that is the actually, see, to be very honest, this seat number 1, 2, 3, this seat number 1, 2, 3 are mainly to make your fundamentals strong. They are not directly going, they will not be directly used anywhere in industry also. You won't be said that draw me the cow, this cow, that cow. But these are very much essential for understanding. Now, this sheet number 7, 8 will 8 we will see 8, 7, 6 and 5. These are mainly you will see directly as it is many times. Object may be changed, fine. Instead of this simple object, you will be having whole machine. You can have whole machine, whole vessel, likewise. But you can see directly this kind of sheets. Okay. So mainly it is divided kind of in two parts. One, two, three, four also are mainly for to increase your understanding or making your fundamentals clear. Because without 1, 2, 3, 4, you will be never be able to draw this sheet number 5, 6, 7 and 8. You think of yourself, if you haven't done this sheet number 1, 2, 3, 4, can you draw this 5, 6, 7, 8? You haven't understood the projections of point, line and plane. You can't draw the projection of solid, isn't it? Okay. Now next, let us see sheet number 5, 6. Anyone in sheet number 6? Only 4 problems, 3 problems are already done in class. Okay, sheet number 5, anyone? Sheet number 5. Am I audible? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Now, anyone, any doubt in sheet number 5? No doubt?
No, sir.
No one is having any doubt sheet number 5. Very nice. Like it. See, again, we will continue this, but I will again repeat. See, I have uploaded one book in Google Classroom. We have 8 sheet. You divide whole subject sheet wise. In first sheet, you are not going to do anything. No, nothing is required as such practice or whatever. Just information kind of thing. Scale also, it is more or like that only. If you see it once, it is through. You should be knowing first of all conversions. Every conversion, if you know, that is fine. It is done. Then sheet number 3, 3 is curves. Okay, that curves you need to see at once, but they also won't get changed. Mainly the 5, 6, 7 and 8, you pick up few problems. Try to solve it by yourself. Put it in your group. If you have some difficulties, or just put the question that I have solved these, anyone interested can solve these and we can compare the solutions. Put it in the classroom. If you are having some doubt, put it in classroom. So pick up few problems and try to solve them, practice them, and only you will be getting it, you will be having that confidence. Understand? Okay, next, and sheet number 5, anyone having any doubt? Sheet number 5.
No, sir.
No one is having doubt. Nice. Okay, now sheet number 4, where is it? Now, one more thing. Anyone got that portfolio or sheet folder what I was talking about? Anyone has that idea? in which it is just a kind of paper, it is made out of paper only, in which you will be putting all your sheets together and then you will tie it with some thread, something like that. You don't know that? Anyone knows?
No, sir.
Okay. I am because this shift, the lab is shifted and I am not able to get it here. Okay, in sheet number 4, anyone is having any problem? Sheet number 4. Sheet number 4. I will repeat again. You note this down. Sheet number 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You pick up few problems, do it by yourself. Fine. And what you can do also, you can among yourself pick up different problems. For example, two people take problem number 6 of some chapter. So other two takes problem number 7. Two people solve problem number 6. Two people solve problem number 7. Upload both. So all four will be knowing problem number 6 and 7. Understand? You can do it like that. Sheet number 4, any problem? Anyone? No one is having problem? Sheet number 4. Then sheet number 3. When I say sheet number 3 means that topic. You don't just focus on that particular sheet. If you have done some in sketchbook also, you can ask. Because we are going topic wise, that's it, nothing else. That's why I am speaking in terms of sheet number. It is not like that only that problem. If I am talking about projection of solid sheet, then only those four problem. It is not like that. If you have done something by yourself also, you just discuss it here. That's it. Sheet number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Anything, anyone, any problem?
सर शीट कौन सा है?
Huh?
शीट नंबर 8 आप बोल रहे हो?
8, isometric. That we will draw later on. First of all, let us study in this Monday lecture and Tuesday. Tuesday we may take extra, that after our lecture we may require to continue after our lecture also, because, and I told you that lab A, batch A, that we may need to skip or something like that. चलो भाई, किसी को कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो, इन जनरल कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो बोलो.
सर
यस.
सर कोई भी एलिप्स का अगर खाली मेजर एक्सिस और माइनर एक्सिस दिया होगा तो हम, और डायरेक्ट्रिक्स कुछ नहीं दिया है तो हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं एसेंट्रिसिटी.
तुम्हें क्या फाइंड करना है?
सर ई फाइंड करना है.
हाँ, तो उसके लिए हमने शायद किया हुआ है ऑलरेडी. लेट मी चेक माय शीट. क्या क्या दिया बोला तुमने?
सर मेजर एक्सिस और माइनर एक्सिस ही दिया है.
So major axis and minor axis are given. Yes, then you can draw it. We have done it. We have done that thing. See, major axis and minor axis is given. Fine.
Yes.
So assume that its center is 0, 0. Eccentricity is E, and semi-major axis is A. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, this with given this all dimension, you can find distance between focuses, isn't it? So you can also look at focuses, foci.
Yes, sir.
We have that formula, na? We have. I have asked that question also in recent test. So you can locate foci. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So then foci is having its coordinate as plus or minus AE, comma 0. Understand?
Yes.
So you are already having A with you because you are having major axis, that is 2A. So you are already having A with you. And now you know the distance between point O and any of the foci. So that is equal to AE. From that you will be able to get that E. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
And then you can find dielectrics by plus or minus A by E. We have done this in class also. Plus or minus A by E, that is uh, directrix of the ellipse. So you have got A and you have got E also. So you get the directrix. Anyone else? Anything? I won't speak any sheet number. You just ask if you have anything, any doubt. You want to solve any doubt. One more thing. I will post it today only in Google Classroom also. Fine. Monday you will be having one test, similar test for projection of point, line, plane and solid. Point, line, plane and solid. 4 topics. Similar test. Marks may be varying 5 or 5, 10 here, there. Maybe 15 marks or 25 marks. That is different thing, but almost similar exam. Please circulate among the who are absent. Okay, in your non-official group, if right now circulate it, we will be having similar exam on Monday. And importantly, please stick to the time. It is automatically, see, when once link is posted and if I have mentioned that it will be 25 minutes exam, for example, that once link is posted, it will be it will automatically turn off the exam paper within 27 minutes, because I will keep 2 minutes in buffer. For example, if I need to start at 4, I may post link at 3:58, for example, but it will automatically turn off the question paper at 4:25 without fail. I can't do anything. So you have your watch with you and accordingly plan accordingly. Okay, any doubt, anyone? Ask me. Now, what this I discussed now, that if ellipse is given with center 0, 0, so its an eccentricity is A and semi-major axis is, sorry, eccentricity is E and semi-major axis is A, then its foci are at plus or minus A, comma 0 and directrix is plus or minus A by E. So you write this down. You note this down in your notebook. Actually, you should be having a notebook for each subject, maybe 100 pages, that is fine, but you should be preparing notes. Without your self-made notes, you can't do anything as such. Because in notes, you will write what you have faced in your understandable language. Chalo, any doubt? If anyone is having any doubt, please tell me. And if no one is having any doubt, then start writing down your roll number and start leaving the meeting. But once people start leaving meeting, don't ask me in personal that this doubt or that doubt. We want, if someone is having doubt, everyone should get benefited. I am very much against that personal communication. We should discuss here only. So if you have any doubt, please ask me so that everyone will know. No one is having any doubt? Nice. So what I am also planning is that, see, only one topic is balance. That is the last topic we have already started. Only one sheet is there and only two problems similar to this orthographic is there that we will do. After that, I will post few practice example solved by me. You also pick up some problem. I will randomly pick up few problems. I will post it, question and solution, just for your reference. What you can do is, you can first of all, from question, you can replicate the answer. Means you can solve the answer and then you can compare it with my solution and likewise. But don't only depend on that. I may post only one also, but you need to practice few. And wherever you stuck somewhere, you just post it in Google Classroom with questions also, so that I will respond as soon as possible. And that is how you will prepare for exams. You are not knowing, but in easy subject we have planned in such a manner that a lot of things for exam is already covered. Because sheet submissions are covered, they carry good amount of marks. Sheet submission, then internal exams having good amount of marks, that is already one exam is over, one will be on Monday. Then after isometric completion, we will have third exam for isometric and orthographic. So three exam is over, so almost all internal examination is over. So we are going in such a manner that you need not to worry about this subject and you can focus on other subjects also. You need to give maybe minimum time to this subject. Okay, so no one is having any doubt as such. So please stick to the schedule of submission. Please stick to the submission schedule. And you have got that academic calendar. That is 16th January is the last date of teaching. Understand? And 14th is already holiday. So as such, realistically we see, then 13th is the last date of teaching, realistically. Because Saturday is also, maybe Saturday is which Saturday? Okay, there is third Saturday, so again it will be leave. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday for the last topic, and we will, that's why I am telling that if needed, we will definitely take longer class on that Tuesday. Okay, and I will see if something if something can be done for that merging of this batch for next week at least. If something can be done, then it will be a lot easier. All the people will be simultaneously with us, so it will be a lot smoother. We'll see that. I'll inform accordingly. Okay, may I end this session?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.